Hi, my name is Ted Olsher and I'm with Midmark Corporation. I'm here today to talk to you about our M11 autoclave. We also have an M9 model, the difference being the size of the chamber. One first feature I want to talk to you about is the ease of use, and it's as simple as open the door, load your instruments, close the door, hit a cycle and start button. From there, it will run automatically, open up the door, and allow you to take it out. Another feature of the M11 autoclave is the reliability and the dependability of the unit. Many of the common mistakes that are made in autoclaves is overstuffing the chamber, which leads to non-sterile packs. With the M11, which is 11 inches in diameter by 18 inches deep, you're going to be able to fit more packs and have more reliability with autoclaved and sterile instruments. Safety is important to Midmark, and we build that into our products. We have our autoclaves inspected by ASME certified inspectors for each unit, so that way we can ensure that they are safe and secure for all healthcare facilities. We also have service. We design, we manufacture, and we also service this product in the United States. Our service providers are an independent service organization that is throughout the United States, and they come into the clinic to service the product. In addition to the M11 and M9 autoclaves, we also have 3 different sizes of ultrasonic cleaner options. Flexible sterilization designs support proper instrument processing workflow. These solutions allow you to efficiently and intuitively work through the entire process of cleaning, sterilizing, and storing instruments.